Welcome to MonroeMotors.com. Here we have a 2014 Porsche Boxster in dark metallic blue on blue interior. So it's a convertible. It's got the spoiler here that raises up. So it's raised right now. Here's one of the trunk spaces. So you have access to oil as well as your washer fluid up there, and then some storage back here. So we'll just go ahead and close this guy up. Have a look from the back. So it's got the nice dual exhaust in the center there. I guess I'll talk about the engine because the engine is back here. It is a 2.7 liter 6-cylinder engine, which is 265 horsepower, compared to a 6-speed manual transmission. So lots of power, lots of fun, Porsche feel. And here we are at the driver's rear wheel, passenger rear wheel. So it's got nice slot drilled rotors, red Porsche calipers, nice new wheels and tires on there, so it's in great shape, rides really nice. Over here at the passenger side, we've got power windows on the door. We've got our brushed aluminum look handle there with the blue door panel, and as you can see, it's in really good shape. We've got the Boxster symbol there, the original Porsche mats in blue, along with the seats, and great looking seat. And I'll just scan along that so you can see the condition of it. Looks great. And as I get in, just have a look in the door frame, nice and clean. And let's have a look here. So we've got the books here in the cup holder, or excuse me, in the glove box. We also have a 12-volt socket and an auxiliary line in over there. It looks like there's the cup holders, so that swings out like that, and this one swings out over to this side here. So cup holders are in working order. We'll close that up. So I'll just hop out. Oh, and just saw that now, so it does have a Bose stereo in it as well. So I'll just close this side and we'll have a look down the side of the car. Looks good. It's got a nice air dam there. There's your fuel door. Let's see, so it's just push to open. Nice. And then here's your front wheel. So again, no curb rash, no issues, painted rotors, painted calipers, brand new nice Continental tires on there. Looks great. So here's your front trunk area. So, you know, it's a nice deep pocket there. It's got a bag here for some goodies. Let's open that up. Have a look. And oh, it's a windscreen. Perfect. So you can put that between the seats there in the front. And this opens up here. What's that? That's your tools. Perfect. So that's there. On this side, inflation kit for the tires. Just sneak that back in. Perfect. So that looks great. And we'll just close this one. There we go. So it's got 3M on the front of the hood that goes across and on the front bumper. So as you can see, the condition of the bumper, there's a couple minor little stone chips on there that we'll touch up. Actually, here's one here. It's already been touched up. And one here, which may be in the 3M. So we may be able to heat up the 3M to smooth that one out, or we can put some touch-up paint on, whichever works. And let's see, one little scuff here. Perfect. So yeah, I just want to share those with you. I mean, every car is going to get something like that going down the road, and we'll do our best to make them look as good as possible. So here's your headlights. You got the nice HID xenon headlights in there. Looks great. And the front bottom half of the bumper is in great shape as well. No scuffs or anything like that. And then here's your front driver's wheel. So again, no curb rash, no issues, painted rotors, painted calipers, nice Continental tires on there. And same thing back here. Looks great. So with the driver's side, again, you've got the Boxster kick plate down there. You've got controls for your front and rear trunk. We've got power mirrors, power windows over here, the brushed aluminum look door release, and again, the Bose stereo. And here's the door panel, so you can see it's in really good condition. So here's the driver's seat, and I'll just scan up that so you can see there's one little mark right there. Outside of that, it looks fabulous. So as I get in, just have a look in the door frame. Nice and clean, looks good. Let's get in and start this one up. All right, so the key goes in over here, clutch in, and here we go. Nice sounding car. Love the Porsche. So in terms of kilometers, we've got 38,829 kilometers on it. We've got no warning lights, no issues on the dash. Everything looks great there. No steering wheel buttons, but we've got turn signal over here. Further down, there's your cruise control. Here's your lights, so it's got automatic headlights, and it's also got fog lights as well. And then on this side, we've got your wiper control, and what's this? This is the control to change the menu up here. So there's all the different controls that you can have in the little screen there. Looks great. And then over here, here's your radio. So it's a touchscreen radio, which is great. We've got Bluetooth controls, we've got CD, auxiliary, and satellite radio. And then a little bit further down, we've got dual zone temperature for the climate control. And then we've also got front heated seats as well. And there's your 6-speed shifter with leather wrapped shift boot. Looks great. And here's your control. So you've got sport, traction off, auto start stop, and then that's the spoiler. So I'll put the spoiler down so we can see it down. And then here's your top. A little change area there, and then this flips up, and we've got a center console with another 12-volt socket as well. So we'll go ahead and we'll put the top up so you can see it going up. There it is there. And it latches itself, and then it puts the windows back up. So that's perfect. So let's hop out with it running and just have a listen. Sounds good. And I'll just stand out from the front. There it is with the headlights on. Looks great. We'll just scan down this side. And let's have a look at the top. So you can see the condition of the top. No rips, no tears. Everything looks good. And I'll just slide around this side. Looks great. Perfect. And there's the exhaust. Sounds great. And there you have it, folks. 2014 Porsche Boxster in dark metallic blue, here and available at MonroeMotors.com. Come on down and have a look at this one for yourself. Look forward to seeing you real soon.